My name is Antonika Chanel and I'm your best candidate for Acupuncture Marketing Online because I changed lives across the world working on cruise ships. So we're just on our way to catch a duck tour in Ketchikan, and I'm going to show you what my life is like and why you should pick me for this scholarship.
If you're walking, if you're walking, if you're walking into my life.
Okay, so I lied. I thought we were going to go on a duck tour, but instead I decided that we should go on this awesome plane behind me to go see Misty Fjord in Alaska. How exciting is that? Woo! I'm so excited. So being an acupuncture at sea definitely has its perks, and this is one of them.
Acupuncture is the fastest growing movement in healthcare today. And I get to teach people from all over the world about this incredible medicine and even give them their first experience. But my vision for the world, for mankind, for individuals across the country is to provide a fun and exciting new way to learn about the body and to understand how traditional Chinese medicine can and will be the primary health care of the future.
Imagine when you travel the world and you step out of your comfort zone, you experience life from a different perspective. It's like a breath of fresh air. This place is beautiful. We're in the middle of nowhere in Misty Fjord, Alaska, and these mountains are so enormous. The mountains were all carved and formed by glaciers that were here 60,000 years ago. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that you just cannot miss.
One of the things that I value the most is travel. And I know that I'm created to help people achieve optimal wellness. My goal this year is to create a package that will offer anyone around the world optimal health and wellness, motivation, education, and empowerment to show them that there is nothing in the world that can hold them back from being the person that they want to be and from traveling to the places they've always wanted to go. And I just know that acupuncture marketing can get me there this year. And I fully believe that this program is meant just for me.
So this is the life of an acupuncturist at sea. That's right, my name is Antonika Chanel. I'm an Eastern medicine practitioner from the Philippines, born and raised in the US, traveling the world, treating people from all over, using Chinese medicine on a Dutch boat in the middle of nowhere. Acupuncture Marketing, my name is Antonika Chanel. I am your best candidate. Pick me for your online scholarship.